Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a versatile tool that promises to make your outdoor tasks easier and more efficient, the 6-inch mini chainsaw. We found this product online and have added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the 6-inch mini chainsaw? This cordless electric chainsaw is designed for tree trimming and wood cutting, featuring a 700W high-power pure copper motor that delivers efficient cutting performance. With its high-hardness alloy steel blades and chains, it can easily slice through logs up to 6 inches in diameter in just a few seconds. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or someone new to outdoor maintenance, this mini chainsaw offers a blend of power and convenience that can save you both time and effort. Let's talk about some of its standout features. One of the most user-friendly aspects of this mini chainsaw is its tool-free adjustment system for chain tensioning. You won't need any extra tools, just a quick adjustment and you're ready to cut. This means less time spent on setup and more time getting your tasks done. Another impressive feature is the automatic oil filling system. Simply pour ordinary motor oil into the oil container and press the air bladder to automatically lubricate the chain. This not only reduces wear on the chain but also enhances cutting efficiency. One fill can last a whole day, eliminating the hassle of lugging around heavy bottles of oil. Powering this mini chainsaw are two 21V 2000 mAh rechargeable lithium batteries. Each battery allows for 40 to 50 minutes of continuous cutting on a full charge, ensuring you won't run out of juice while you're in the middle of a job. Plus, the built-in LED power indicator keeps you updated on your battery level. Safety is paramount, and this chainsaw comes equipped with multiple protection features. It has motor overheat protection that automatically shuts the chainsaw down if the motor gets too hot, a safety lock to prevent accidental starts, and safety baffles to shield you from wood chips. Additionally, it comes with gloves and goggles to further ensure your safety while using the tool. Now, who is this mini chainsaw suitable for? It's lightweight at just 2.6 pounds, making it easy to operate with one hand, which is perfect for women and the elderly. It's also a fantastic gift for fathers, husbands, or anyone who enjoys gardening and outdoor projects. Practical use cases for this chainsaw are endless. Whether you're trimming branches, cutting firewood, or tackling overgrown bushes in your yard, this tool is designed to help you get the job done quickly and efficiently. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, and its portability means you can take it anywhere you need to work. In conclusion, the 6-inch mini chainsaw combines power, efficiency, and safety in a lightweight design that's perfect for both casual users and seasoned pros. It comes with all the necessary accessories, neatly packed in a portable toolbox, making it an excellent choice for outdoor field operations. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.